distinguished faculty members, respectable sisters, nuns, and students. First of all, I would like to thank Sister Dr. Elizabeth, commonly known as Sister Lisa, Principal St. Joseph's College for Women, Karachi, for hosting today's program in a very short time. So thank you so much, madam. I think it shows your administrative skills and ability that you have organized, you have arranged such a nice, wonderful, and graceful event today. Let me say that we are honored. We are really honored to be in St. Joseph's, a prestigious institution of Pakistan, to celebrate Russian National Flag Day here. And I think everyone knows about USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, and its disintegration in 1991. So today's program is linked and interconnected with this integration of Soviet Union. So we have Dr. Natalia. She is also professor, and she will give her presentation on the topic. So we all are really happy for your cooperation, for your support. So once again, thank you so much.